Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today I have another big garden project that I'm trying to knock out. I have not received my tripod yet, so I'm on my old tripod, which is only about the length of this garden stick. So it doesn't really do anything for me. So the project for today is I will be moving out this container. This is my cherry tree, the last of my cherry tree that died. So I'm just gonna pull that out. And what I'm gonna do is take this container to the front of the house. I'm gonna add a trellis to this, and I'm gonna make this trellis a dragon fruit trellis for the members only fruits. I probably might start a new category of membership, and this trellis will be strictly for those members. So there won't have to worry about raffles. I'm still gonna keep the other memberships. Those are gonna be for the raffles, and then this one is gonna be strictly for those members who pay the membership, and they don't have to worry about the raffle. As soon as they start to bear fruit, I'm gonna send it out to them. So that's the plan for that. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna go forth with that yet as far as pricing, because YouTube takes the lion's share of that. So right here we have some yellow dragon fruits right here, and the bees are attacking. I didn't get a chance to harvest any of that pollen. I'll probably try to cut back out later and try to get some of that pollen. This is a nighttime flower, so this could be closing at any minute. So I need to really get out here after the bees leave and harvest some of that pollen. Shout out to the Garden of Tweety. I haven't been able to properly put this in a trellis, but I got this particular one from the Garden of Tweety. I had to bring this back to life many of occasions. It's definitely deserving of being in that trellis. As Lady Cheryl would say, the garden of what did Lady Cheryl call it? The garden of something. The garden of gratitude. So I'm showing gratitude to the members who decided to send me a dragon fruit. He actually sent me this. Haven't been able to get fruit from it yet, and he actually sent this one right here in the back. I think this is American Beauty from the Garden of Tweety. So shout out to the Garden of Tweety. Still haven't gotten fruit from them yet, brother, but they are here. I'm gonna send out my first prize today. I recorded a video earlier this week, but I didn't get a chance to edit it and drop it. So in that video, I talked about starting to send out some of the dragon fruits in the order of which they were won. So I'm gonna go 1 through 11, and I'll send the dragon fruits. And for those who requested those special dragon fruits from watching the videos and sending their requests, we'll just have to wait for those to turn so that I can get those out to you. So I'm trying to ship them out in order. We got a couple of dragon fruits that are turning red, but before I send out dragon fruits, I have to be the first one to taste them and give it my stamp of approval. So yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. So this is the big garden job. I have to pull this out of here, make sure that there's not any spiders hiding around. Take the dragon fruit out, put the trellis in there, fill it back up with soil, and then get it to the front yard. Well, I'm gonna move it to the front yard, and then I'm gonna go from there. I'm trying to decide right now what varieties to put in there. This seems to be a very popular variety right here, but this is a no ID. And I have a couple of other cuttings that I might put in there that I got from people who have traded with me that people who have traded dragon fruit cuttings with me. So probably might put this variety in there. This is called physical graffiti. I already have one in this trellis right here, and I had 2 extra rooted cuttings there, so I probably might put that in there. That's a self-fertile plant. So I'm gonna put some really good varieties in there that have they're bountiful growers, and we'll go from there. And like I said, I'll post more information on for those who would want to have a continual, you know, every season as we get them. You know, so that you can just, you know, the community will speak for itself as I put the membership out. If this is something that you want, if you want a dragon fruit or 2 every season, that they come from that particular trellis for the members only, then you'll sign up for it. If not, you know, I'll just continue to do what I do, which is raffle them off and send them out to the members. You guys know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay. And I will definitely see you on the next video. I'm going to show you guys the update and the progress as I work on this project today. Peace.